Hi everyone, this is Bailey with Smart DIYs. Today I'm going to walk you through the basic steps of processing a project with your Etcher Laser using the desktop app. We're just going to add a file to the software, adjust the settings, and prep the machine. First, let's look at the software. Open up Smart DIY's Creator on your computer. Come over to the right and click the Add Item button. There are 4 ways to add an image to the software. Select File will allow you to select a file that you have saved to your computer. From Catalog will let you use one of our designs. Notice that there are 3 tabs here. You can explore them on your own, but we'll go over them in another video. Using Text Item will allow you to create text in the software. This is something else we'll cover in another video. If you open the lid of your Etcher Laser, you can also use the 4th option here, From Scan. This will use the Etcher Laser's camera to take a picture of your design from the working bed of the machine. For today, we're just going to use one of the From Catalog designs. Simply click on what design you would like and click Import. You can then click and drag the design to position it, and use the bounding box here to resize and rotate it. You can also use the Etcher Laser camera to take a picture of your material here to adjust the design, but that's something we're going to leave for another day. For now, I'm just going to pick a size and leave the design here near 0, 0. You can see your adjustments on the toolbar here, or type in your numbers to make manual adjustments. Then, click on your design on the right toolbar to set your parameters. Again, we'll go over how to choose your parameters and this whole window in another video. For now, I'm using cardstock, and I know I like to use 100% power at a speed of 500. You can use the sliders or the boxes to adjust. Once you're done with that, click anywhere outside of the box to close it. With this, you're almost done using the software. Now, if you haven't already, connect the Etcher Laser to your computer with the USB cord and turn the power on. Place your material inside the Etcher Laser bed. If you want to use the camera capture function, make sure you aren't covering up any of the square camera markers. Next, if your height isn't already adjusted for the right material, go back to your computer and click Position. Drag the laser head over your material. Then, use the height adjustment tool to raise or lower your laser head as needed. You can now close the lid to your laser. In the software, click Position again to close out of this function. You're now ready to begin processing. Click the Start button at the top of the screen. You'll then be reminded to adjust the laser height and to monitor your machine while it's in use. Click Start again to begin processing. There you have it. That's how you do a basic processing with your Etcher Laser.